What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. This is part 2 of the bank holiday weekend shenanigans videos that we've been doing. Obviously Jim has been working on his VW Caddy van. We're doing the last bits of prep and then painting. Anyway, we'll get right into the video. This is part 2, so hope you all enjoy. As you can see, we've had a bit of a move around. Jimmy's van is now in the booth. Fire in the booth. And he is prepping this sill. As you can see, he's prepping the sill with filler. Ready for old Dano to paint.
Yeah. Finishing touches.
Finishing touches.
Smooth, nice, primed, not rusty.
Yeah. So wings. Dan's painted his wings. So that's what you're doing on this side while you let that dry on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that wing off. Get the wing off.
The wings.
Put the new one on, get rid of this cabbage. That off, get the new one on.
It will look nice. Got the new alloys for it. Was it last week? Week before?
Something like that.
Something like
And then we'll slam it.
that. Slams.
Some more. Underneath though. You work on Monday.
What?
You work on Monday.
No.
So we can do day 4.
Yeah, we can do day 4.
Diaries with Jimmy.
Yeah, diaries
Jimmy
with
Rusty Caddy.
Yeah, Jimmy and his rusty caddy. Oh, good title.
I like that.
Yeah,
A weekend in the life of Jimmy and his Rusty Caddy.
and the rusty caddy. This is why they rot out.
This is what causes pain.
Well, yeah, you can see where it sits. You can see where foam sits on the chuffing panel.
No, I do with these.
Right. Gone.
In the bin.
The wait continues now that the new wing is on.
The wing is on. It's had turkey teeth.
Turkey teeth.
Yeah. That's really white and the rest of it isn't.
Yeah.
But that'll also be addressed.
It's very good. White panel, like a yellowy door.
It's not the best fit, but it's better than rust.
It's better than rust.
One side done, and then wait for that to be prepped and painted on the other side, door back on, then the other wing can go back on, and the front bumper can go on.
Yeah.
And then we're done. For now.
For now. The work never ends.
It never ends. Is it ever really finished? No.
No.
Is the answer.
Ayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She'll do me, mucker.
Oh yeah.
I want to put it on.
Yeah. We need to put the wings on first and everything else.
Jacking it up really.
Interviewing people.
Day 4 of the rusty conversion.
Yeah, I've got one to be fair.
I need to put a bolt in this bumper before it falls off. That's what I could do anyway. I'm being a bit silly and making life hard for myself.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, sir, what's your opinion on the current state of affairs with the shortage of fish fingers in Kazakhstan?
Yeah, terrible situation, really.
There's a shortage.
Just blame the orange man.
The orange man. Right there on the floor. Time to attack the trim.
The last trim, and then it's little white down. Done. And then I can sleep. For a year. I've had it.
Yeah. But
Sorry, I'm not being as positive as I was.
Oh, what are you on about? It's fucking done, mate.
Yeah, it's been a graft.
Yeah, it has been a graft. So, yeah. Comes.
I've got my microphone. It's just talking over us.
Yeah.
So, done. Bumpers painted, wings painted and replaced. Sill done, ready for its MOT. Bodyworks could do with a bit more, but we'll get to that.
It was just a
This is for MOT purposes.
MOT.
But we'll get to that. And yeah, like I said, wheels, they're on. Progress has been made. So
Yeah.
I think the next thing, the next video on the van might be a bit of lowering,
A bit of height adjustment.
a bit of height adjustment. We need to get it a bit lower. It's
Yeah.
a bit like a monster truck at the minute.
Yeah, it does look a bit on these wheels.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It does. It needs
Yeah,
lowering. It's all back together though. It's
Quick.
not rusty anymore, which is always nice. The dog has already made his bed. He's already found his way in.
Yeah,
He's loving it.
loving it in there. Front bumper painted. And then, obviously, you've done this side where sill is.
Please don't criticise my bodywork too much. It's my first time doing something
Yeah,
of this extent. I've had a go. No
He's
one
had a
can
go.
knock me for having a go.
Yeah, Dan's not really done outright on this time.
No,
But yeah,
solid. That's the main thing. It's all
I just-
solid.
lay on the floor.
Just needs it needs my rubber bungs,
Yeah, the
which are coming.
Yeah, ignore the bottom of the door.
Yeah, that needs addressing too.
But yeah, pretty good.
They're all tidbits.
So yeah, and then you had to sort of blow this bit in,
Yeah, the
'cause-
arch was a bit scabby as well. I had to do something with it just to slow it down a bit. But again, like I said, we'll address the bodywork down the line. Yeah, get it looking nice. Get it looking nice, straighter, fresher, not as 50 Shades of White. But hopefully you can't see that too much on the camera.
No, to be fair, once it's outside, it's not as.
It's not as bad
not
when
as
it's
bad.
outside. I might get a lick of polish just to get me through the summer. But yeah, lowering
Very
next.
Yeah, lowered.
Yeah.
That'll probably be the
That'll be
end.
it till the next video.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't know what we're doing in the next video.
No idea, because it'll be. Well, hopefully done on. Well, so it's Monday today. So tomorrow, Dan's picking up the air suspension for 15. So.
Yes, probably some S15.
Yeah, there's probably
bits.
some S15 stuff.
Mm.
So we've got a lot of stuff going off, so it'll be whatever we can cram into videos, to be fair.
Cool
So,
stuff.
cool stuff. Always cool
We'll get a
stuff.
rhythm.
At some point, yeah.
He's having the time.
Yeah, that's
But
it.
yes,
Still
we'll-
figuring it out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, have a good bank holiday if you're having it.